Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we learning alphabets and let's learning colors name. Black color, sky blue color, purple color, yellow color, brown color, orange color, green color, blue color. Alphabets A to Z. This is green color. Green color A. A for apple. A for ant. Brown color B. B for boy. B for ball. B. Sky blue color C. C for car. C for crow. Yellow color D. D for dog. D for door. E for elephant. E for eagle. Black color. Blue color F. F for fish. F for frog. F. Orange color G. G for goat. G for green. Purple color H. H for horse. I for igloo. I for ink. This is green color. Green color J. J for juice. Orange color K. K for kite. K for king. Black color L. L for leaf. L for lemon. M for monkey. M for mouth. N for nose. N for net. O for owl. O for orange. P for peacock. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for quilt. R. R for rabbit. R for rose. S. S for shoes. S for sun. S. T. T for tiger. T for top. U. U for umbrella. U for uniform. V. V for vase. V for vulture. W for watch. W for wax. X for xylophone. X for fox. Y. Y for ear. Y for ear. Z. Z for zigzag. Z for zebra. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y and Z.